Tao, mabuting tao, handang buhay. Once again, kamabuhay and kamabuhayers. Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger of YouTube, Mabuhay Channel. Live and alive here in Davao City, Catalunan, Pequeño, in front of South Pacific Subdivision, and just nearby NCCC Choice Mart here, crossing, and in front of 7-Eleven and Palawan Remittance Center here. So I'm here in BMDK building. Yeah, BMDK building where our cafe is located. The latest, it opened just a few days ago, and it's really the latest in town, in the city. We have our cafe, which features their services of course, coffee, pasta, sandwich, and many others. You can have they have also chicken and all the other food items that is really so tasty, and first time here in Davao. So I will have this another feature when you enter here. These are the ambience or their cozy, comfy location. Our happiness starts here. So this is my endorsement of the latest in the city. Happiness starts here. They are available as what I have interviewed a while ago. They have cookies available here, and their coffee ranging from 140 so on, and let's have a glance of their menu here, featuring you our cafe. Happiness starts here. The place symbolizes the idea of cherishing each moment and making the most out of every hour, every moment of the consumer and customer here. We want to emphasize the value of time well spent, encouraging patrons to slow down, savor the present, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The place denotes a personal touch with our customers, implying that this is not just a business entity, but a place where relationships are built and nurtured. It emphasizes inclusivity and a sense of shared ownership among customers and staff. The place is ours, so that is why our cafe. We strive to create a space where the customers feel genuinely happy and content by delivering warm hospitality, delicious products, and a relaxing atmosphere that fosters positive social interaction and connections. So happiness begins here, our brand promise. So come now in our cafe, Catalunan Pequeño branch, door 2, BMDK building, kilometer 12, Catalunan Pequeño, Davao City, just fronting or in front of South Pacific. And let me emphasize, let's focus their contact number, 0968-399-6219. May I repeat, 0968-399-6219. Kalinan branch. They have also in Kalinan, Abaya Subdivision, Kalinan, Davao City, fronting Camilas. We have the number 099476505541. May I repeat, in Kalinan branch, we have the number, contact number 099476505541. You are also accepting delivery, ma'am? Delivery? Grab lang. Available your order through the Grab services. So this is my picture actually. This is mine. I have my cucumber juice. Wow, really my favorite one. And I have my takeout. So you can have your lunch, starting lunch. You have already lunch. Breakfast, no. You're serving breakfast. So they have also breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is it as what I have interviewed a while ago. This is available also. can have your enjoyable, tasty, delectable our cafe. There's not coffee that's available here. Okay, this is my order now. It's chicken. How do you call this menu, Ma'am Dan? How do you call this one? This is
Fish fillet po with tartar sauce.
fish fillet with other what's this? Other ingredients, of course. That is